So we just finished unpacking the printers. We got 2 of each.
We have both X1s from Bambu Labs and both Neptunes from Elegoo. So we're ready to start doing our first prints on each printer.
That is fast.
Ooh, but look at how fast the motors move.
Whoa, whoa.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Soon we will have a fleet, an armada of benchies. Right now we're slicing up some of the files that we're getting ready to put on the Elegoo. Because of the size of the print bed, we can fit everything into one build plate, drastically freeing up a lot of resources for other printers to be used for other things.
Now we are going to insert the USB in the printer. So I'm gonna choose this one because I did the bed leveling with the paper. It should be more accurate than the other one. The print is gonna take around 20 hours, so I'll see you around.
So by the looks of it, the Elegoo printer failed on the Railrunner base. Oh, here we go.
It broke.
Yeah, but it broke after the sensor. We're gonna need to restart the print.
It was already 80%, but here, like imperfection, eh?
We actually do need to clean that up. But the other Elegoo looks good.
And the 2-color one? Ooh.
So this is obviously this white material here is the support material. We opted to use tree supports, which makes it a lot easier to break it off, and there's very little impact on the print surface. One piece.
It's real.
It's real. We might need to clean up a little bit of this angle here. And the layer lines for this were more so prototyping layer lines. It's looking fantastic. Pretty excited to, one, speed up the process in which we can prototype and expand the capabilities of material that we can print in. There's a lot of uses that I think you'll start to see showing up in various places, social media, YouTube, where you'll see more things we're doing with these printers and all the things we're doing at SafeSight. If you want to find out more about what we're doing, there's a link in the description where you can head over to our website, take a look at all the services and products that we offer. Thanks for having us.